Hi, it's Harry Dent. In January, we're going to look at the forecast for 2013. Obvious thing to do at the beginning of the year. And we think 2013 is going to be one of those pivotal years. We think we're going to be rocky on and off, but the first half's going to be okay, and we think the second half is not going to be okay. That we think the next crash in the stock market and the next recession starts in the second half of 2013. Right now, as we just move into this year, we also see, I think, a lot of surprises coming. Number one, we think the U.S. is going to be slower than anticipated. Fourth quarter GDP is probably going to come in lower than expected, and first quarter even lower, and we'll talk about that. Europe has been sinking, even Germany, but there's some signs and leading indicators that may be turning around some. Now, we'll see or not, because there are not many signs of that yet, but the European crisis doesn't seem to be getting a lot worse at this time, and people aren't worrying at this time. But I think most important, Japan has just embarked on a strong stimulus program, fiscal and monetary, and China is starting to stimulate again with a new administration like Japan. The last administration in China had to kind of fight the real estate bubble a bit, but that started to slow the economy too much. So, there's going to be mixed results in the first half, but we think by the second half, the same thing's going to happen to the United States that happened to Europe in 2012. Europe had